What you are seeing on screen right now are Ghibli-style YouTube story videos, and they are quietly blowing up across the platform. Channels with zero face recording, no voiceover, and absolutely no art skills are pulling massive views. Welcome to Saas Beast Pro. Today I will show you the exact step-by-step workflow to build one. Let's dive right into the action. First, open your browser and go straight to ChatGPT to brainstorm our viral story. Now, I have a special prompt document for this. Copy the first prompt from the doc and paste it directly into the chat box. Type in your preferred theme and hit enter to get a list of highly engaging video ideas. Awesome. Pick one idea you really like, then copy the second prompt from our doc and paste it right here in the same conversation. Paste your chosen topic into the designated section and hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate a complete story with detailed image prompts for every single scene. With our story ready, open a new tab and head over to Google Flow. This is where the visual magic actually happens. Go back to ChatGPT, grab the image prompt for scene 1 and paste it right into the Google Flow prompt box. Select the Nano Banana or Nano Banana Pro model from the menu and then go ahead and click Generate. Look at that beautiful detail. Now, before generating the second scene, type "Consider the above image as reference" in the prompt box. This secret trick is crucial. Paste your second prompt below that line and generate it to keep the characters and visual style perfectly consistent. Repeat this exact process for all your scenes, and once they are all completely generated, simply download these images to your device. If you are enjoying this workflow so far, hit that subscribe button for Saas Beast Pro. Now, let's turn these still images into moving cinematic art. Still inside Google Flow, look at the top menu and click on the video section. Now, start the process by uploading the very first image you downloaded earlier right into the workspace. Copy your scene 1 prompt again, paste it here, select your uploaded image, and hit generate to create your first animated video clip. Do this for all your downloaded images. It only takes a few minutes, and then you can download all the animated clips to your computer. Time to put it all together and make it look professional. Open Canva in your browser and click on the video editing section. Select a blank 1920 by 1080 pixel timeline, then click on Uploads and select all your generated video clips to bring them in. Click Add Page on the timeline repeatedly until you have about 9 or 10 blank pages ready to go. Now simply drag and drop your video clips in sequence, placing scene 1 on page 1, scene 2 on page 2, and so on. To make the video feel truly cinematic, hover between two clips, click Add Transition, and select the Match and Move effect. Set the transition duration to 0.2 seconds and hit Apply to All. Then select all the clips together and reduce the audio volume down to 30. Everything is completely seamless now. Go to the top right corner, click Export or Download, and save your final masterpiece. Just look at this cinematic result. You just created a viral Ghibli video completely with AI. One quick note before we finish, Google Flow's generation is not unlimited. The free account gives you limited daily credits, while the pro version gives you a bit more to work with. Thanks for watching Saas Pro, and I will see you in the next tutorial.